Best Shopify page builders, free and paid. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can take your Shopify page from this to an actual functional and amazing and brilliant page using a couple of free and paid plugins. So let's get into it. Now, all of you know how to build a Shopify store and it's pretty simple to set it up, but once you get to setting it up, you realize the basic templates and the basic themes are not just going to suffice. If you want your e-commerce store to, stand out, if you want it to look more appreciable and you want it to be different from your competitors, you're going to need to do something different. And that is why we like to use a couple of these different applications that we can integrate into Shopify and use these page builders to get a more customized and more interactive or brilliant looking website. Now, I will give you guys a quick list and we're going to just go over the pricing of these and the basic features. I'm not going to go into detail about too many of these, but I already have a couple of videos on Pagefly if you want to check those out on how to build your landing pages and how to build your Shopify store with Pagefly. So as we have already started discussing Pagefly, let's get into it. Now, Pagefly is a Shopify integration. To download or add any of these integrations, just go into your Shopify search, go into apps, and then you can just search for the names that I show you guys, or just go into your apps and sales channels, go into your Shopify app store, you can find all of these applications. Now, this is the Pagefly homepage, and this is how it looks like. You can go into their templates, you can go into their pages, you can start building any kind of page. You have multiple different templates. You can see there are so many different templates to pick out from, and it is very easy to use. It is one of the simplest integrations. You can automate a lot of your work with Shopify integrations because Pagefly's editor is pretty much going to work hand in hand with the editor that you have with Shopify. So you can import your products, display certain collections on new pages, so on and so forth. And I really do find that it's a good integration in terms of pricing and offers. So if you want to get started with building your Shopify store using Pagefly, it starts at $0 a month, but that is only for one page. So if you just one free page, you can build it via Pagefly, but if you want more, then you have to pay more. So it starts at $24 per month for 10 pages, and the more pages you select, the more you have to pay. And this includes all app features, 24/7 live chat support. But if you want enterprise features such as priority support, video call support, unlimited tracking sessions, speed optimization support, as well as unlimited blog post pages, then you will have to go for the enterprise version starting at $199. However, I do find the pay-as-you-go version to be pretty good, especially considering once you build your landing page, you won't really need to be using it all the time. So just even for $24 a month, building 10 pages, mostly websites don't really need more than 10, but even if you have like 20 pages in your e-commerce website, $29 is not a bad price for that as well. So moving on to our second website building or page building application, we actually have Layout Hub. So Layout Hub is another amazing platform that you can use. It's easy, simple, and super integratable. They have free plans as well as paid versions, and they also have direct editors of their own. You also get lifetime free footer branding, premium layouts, support of standard pages, and the free version has a 3-page limit. So in terms of just setting it up, you will get a better value on the free version, but this is primarily for, layouts, but they do have superb templates, marvelous templates, and you can integrate those and lay those out and, make them fit into your store. So it is amazing. And in terms of features, let me just say, most of these things are going to do the same thing. So most of these Shopify integrations or applications or page builders are going to be doing the same thing. They really don't have, innovation in terms of features, but they just have their own versions of templates, and it really depends on the user on how they like a certain page. Now, They don't provide lazy load images on the free or even on the basic version, which is something that Pagefly does offer even on the most basic versions. Now, moving on in terms of pricing, they are starting at $14.99 with everything, 10 autosave pages, live chats, and you can build upwards of 10 pages. And that is the limit. So they don't have like a pay-as-you-go version, but some of the other applications do have that. Now, moving on to their pro version, it starts at $29.99 for 50 pages. Now, if I was to do the same thing with Pagefly, just to give you guys a quick comparison, it would cost me around $52 a month, while on Layout Hub it is costing me around $30 per month. So it depends on the size and the amount of pages that are required for your website or e-commerce store. Now, moving on to our next application, we have Gem Pages. So Gem Pages is another amazing landing page builder. It is specifically to build landing pages, but it can build your entire website as well. This is just one of their sample pages, their sample website. This is what you can build with their amazing integration. In terms of popularity, it is pretty popular because they are priced very decently. So they also have a free version on which you can build only one publishable page. So you can, build a bunch of different pages, but you won't be able to publish it. But you have one publishable page, you have over 30 integrations, 65 elements, global styles, gem meters, SEO, and speed optimization, which are features that won't be provided to you by Layout Hub or Pagefly. So that is why I said it's, value for your money. But in terms of the build version or the optimized version, which are starting at $29 and $59, you can build upwards of 10 product pages, 20 blog post pages, 3 unlimited page types on their $29 per month version, which is great value considering how you're getting lazy loading, A/B testing, page transfer, instant landing pages. So I do find that this is going to give you a good all-in-one website builder rather than just building a specific type of page and then just moving forward. They also have pretty similar templates available. You have a bunch of different editing tools. You have color schemes you can apply globally to your website, and all of these integrations have desktop and mobile editing versions. So you can preview what it looks like on a desktop, and then you can preview it how it is going to look like on the mobile version. Now, moving on to our second last website or landing page builder, we have Shopify Pages. So Shopify Pages actually only has a 14-day free trial. They don't have a free version. So if you're looking for something for free, you won't be able to get that. But starting at $67 a month, which you might be wondering is a lot more pricier than the other ones. This is because they have been around for the longest. They are the original gangster, you could say, of this niche, and they have dashboards. They have proven templates that help in sales and optimization of customer crawling. They have unlimited pages you can create, so there is no page limit whatsoever. You have countdown timer, light boxes, and mobile optimization, as well as 250 monthly page views that they do promise you that you will get with their optimizations. Then they also have their $97 per month basic, their plus version, which includes everything in basic with split testing, scheduled page publishing, and so much more. You can see they are really, priced high, but they are giving you unlimited pages. So if you're building multiple different pages and it's a very detailed thing you want to build, a detailed e-commerce store, then Shopify is probably a great option. And you do have a 14-day free trial just so you can check it out for yourself. Now, moving on to our next one is Shogun Landing Page Builder. So Shogun is another free-to-use landing page builder. You have 3 page templates that you can use for free, powerful drag and drop page builders, as well as basic elements, pre-styled content blocks, SEO support on their free version. Then you have the $39 per month version, which also has things such as template creation, version control, and more unique page elements. But I would say it is more of the expensive ones, because for $149 a month, you get content scheduling, live chat support, and in-page image optimization controls. So Shogun, although it is great, it is slightly more expensive, and depending on how powerful you need your landing page builder to be, you can choose that as well, or just check all of these out and view whichever one fits your budget and fits the features that are required by you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.